Welcome to the demonstration of 32Soft's Extension Workbench Data Loader for QAD. This powerful tool expands QAD's functionality by allowing you to quickly and easily associate additional fields to virtually any QAD table to accommodate supplementary data without revamping, progress programming, or changing the QAD database structure. Once hosted within QAD ERP, you can download the additional data into Excel spreadsheets, where you can easily make changes and additions and upload it right back into QAD. All these extra attributes can be accessed from other custom progress programs and reported on or used as needed. Let's take a look at how the Extension Workbench can help you manage your supplementary data with greater efficiency and accuracy. When we open the Data Loader, we see a familiar Excel spreadsheet with the addition of the Data Loader banner. The banner includes filtering options and action buttons, which allow us to download data from and upload data back to QAD. To get started, we need to first select the correct database. We click the Setup button to find the appropriate database and select it. We can set up as many databases as needed in the Data Loader. The extra attributes are saved in the QAD user work file table, and depending on the QAD version, we can add up to 15 of each: new character fields, decimal fields, integer fields, logical fields, as well as 4 date fields. One example would be to add extra attributes to existing item master information. Let's first take a look at how we would define these new item master attributes. First, we define a new dataset called milk, which defines the key field, item number in this case, validated against item master data. We also define any other restrictions associated with this dataset. For example, as we see here, on item group equal to milk. Next, we need to define the fields that are part of this dataset. We can define read-only fields, such as item description, and fields that can be updated, which will be saved in the user work file fields. The character fields can have both format and database restrictions. Integer and decimals can have format and lower-upper limits. Logical fields can accept values other than yes/no if specified. After the dataset is defined, we can then use Extension Workbench to download or upload data to this dataset. Let's enter the dataset milk and select to show table data. This will download all the items which satisfy our key restriction, existing item and item group equal to milk in this case. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears. As with all 32Soft data loaders, Extension Workbench uses QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. Let's log in. As we can see here, we downloaded all the items which are of item group milk, and we can see the read-only field values. None of the extra attributes are yet filled in. Let's update the attributes for a few items. Delete what is not needed, and then click Upload. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if our upload is successful or if our data contains any errors. Just like all 32Soft data loaders, the Extension Workbench validates data in the cells against genuine QAD logic and will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted, as in this case. When we encounter an error, we need to close the status window and correct the error before attempting to resubmit the data. We can use the Find Error button to find and fix all errors in the file. Cells that contain errors are highlighted in red. When we place the cursor in the cell, the reason for the error is displayed. We must correct all errors before resubmitting our data. Let's find and fix our errors. Let's see if there are any other errors. There are no more errors, so let's try to upload again. This time the upload is successful. We can verify that our data was uploaded properly. Let's download again, and items that have extra attributes filled in will be returned first, followed by items that do not have extra attributes attached. We can delete the extra attributes record for some of the items and attach attributes for a lot more items. Let's do that. Let's click Upload. We can see the status of our upload, and we can see that uploading about 1,000 records takes roughly 30 seconds. Now let's take a look at how Extension Workbench can help expand supplier information. When we look at the dataset definition, we see the key record information and the fields. Let's first specify supplier dataset and download to see what data we have. And now we can update or add new attributes and upload our changes right back to QAD. Again, let's download to verify our data uploaded correctly. We can also add data attributes for which there's no direct link to QAD data. For example, let's take a look at a data set which defines the default values for QAD maintenance programs. This is the definition of the key fields: program name, frame, and field with no restrictions, and this is the only column we need, the default value. We can download, then change and/or add new records really quickly, and upload back to QAD. Let's download again to verify, and we see the data uploaded correctly. As demonstrated, the Extension Workbench is a great tool for enhancing QAD functionality by expanding data available in QAD ERP without revamping your existing QAD ERP system, without progress programming, and without changing your QAD database structure. And as demonstrated, Extension Workbench provides powerful capability to massively create, update, delete thousands of supplementary clean data records validated against business logic of your choice. The new supplementary data becomes an integral part of your QAD ERP, which will be automatically carried forward to your future QAD versions. Extension Workbench helps you to streamline sophisticated processes. It increases the value of QAD software and directly contributes to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.